Welcome to Rinlight College's Virtual Career Day. Choosing a career is a major decision. Whether you already know what career you want to pursue or are in the process of trying to figure it out, our Career Day videos are a great opportunity for you to explore the variety of academic options available to you, right here in your community, right here at Rinlight College. It's never too early and it's never too late to start planning for your career. Take the time to consider how your interests, values, personality traits, skills, strengths, and abilities match with those related to the career you are interested in pursuing. Keeping these things in mind when you make your career choice is the key to choosing an occupation that will give you the highest probability of success and happiness. And choosing the right educational program, like the ones offered at Rinlight College, can help you reach your goals. Let's explore the programs offered at Rinlight College in health sciences.
Hi, I'm Bria, the Dean of Allied Health, and I'm going to discuss several of the programs that we offer with you today. The Pharmacy Tech program is a one-semester program, so it can start in August and be complete by December, or start in January and end by May. The program is a hybrid program, so it runs mostly online for the courses, as well as you'll come to campus to do the lab hands-on portion. There's also a clinical component to it, so we will put you in retail as well as a hospital-based clinical. The next program that is also a one-semester program is our Vet Assistant program. It is not a vet technician, it's just merely the vet assistant. There are several courses that you would meet here on campus on Mondays, and then I select and put you at a internship for a vet at the vet's office, as well as you observe a groomer for another course. Another one-semester program is our EMT Basic. Now this program is offered at the Rinlight Marketplace in Mount Vernon. It is hybrid, but it does meet every Tuesday and Thursday evenings. It is to get you prepared either to work just as an EMT Basic on an ambulance, or you can go further on into our paramedic program. Our paramedic program also is at the Mount Vernon Marketplace, and it is 1 year for the certificate, or we have a 2-year associates. The paramedic program also is in the evening. It starts every June and it ends every July. We also have another program that is a certificate program, but it's longer than one semester. Our medical assistant program, the certificate is 1 year. Medical assistants are in very high demand right now. This program is in demand. It's similar to your office nurse. So it is typically a Monday through Friday occupation. You assist the doctor, you take a history for your patient, you maybe do some billing and coding, but it is every fall. It runs fall through spring. There is a clinical at the end, so you will get some hands-on training as well. With medical assistant though, we do have a hands-on lab. We also have a one-semester medical support specialist program. This is a newer program to Rinlight College. It is to help a student obtain entry-level knowledge, whether they're going to be a medical receptionist, a ward clerk that works on the med-surg floor, an emergency room, or even a registration clerk at a local hospital. There is a clinical also, so we will get you that hands-on experience that you would need to help you prepare for that entry-level position if you so desire.
I am the clinical coordinator for the radiology program at Rinlight College. I also help teach the classes. Our program is a 2-year program, and you will get an associate's degree in applied science once you're finished. So you would be able to start as an entry-level radiographer or x-ray tech, and we are the ones that are responsible for taking pictures and x-rays after somebody has injured themselves, and those x-rays get sent to a doctor for them to read and diagnose a patient. X-ray jobs are in high demand currently. We have a program for day track and evening track, and our day program allows students to be able to come during normal work hours, 8 to 3 or 4 o'clock. Our evening program is more adapt to the ones that work during the day and would need to attend afternoon classes after 4 p.m. or something like that. We have clinicals that run from 8 to 4 for our day program, and then we have clinicals that run typically from either 1 o'clock or 3 p.m. to 11 at night, so that way they can still work during the day. There is a way, once you complete our program, you will have your associates in radiography, and you can choose to go to a 4-year college and get a bachelor's degree in CT or MRI, like at SIU, or you can do ultrasound afterwards. We have a bunch of different modalities. It's not just X-ray. There is mammography, there is nuclear medicine, there's sonography, there's many different modalities and different jobs that you can work in after completing our program. In our area, the hourly rate varies depending if you work in a hospital or a clinic and your hours and shift. But typically we see our new hires somewhere in the $18 an hour range right now. And it might be more, especially with the demand for employment right now. So there are some dual credit opportunities that you can take in high school that will get you some of the prerequisites or classes that you would need for your associate's degree and to be in the program. There's English, there's medical terminology classes, and several math classes that end up being dual credit that you can take while in high school and get college credit for. There is an entrance exam called the HESI test that you would have to take, and you can take that once every semester, and it is good. Your test score will be good for 1 year. And then we do require that you fill out an application for the college and then an application to our program. Our program deadline application is going to be May 1st at midnight, so we have to have all of those applications in by then.
My name is Fann. I'm here to talk about the CNA program, the Certified Nurses Assistant program here at Radiologic College. We offer a 9, 12, or 16-week courses, depending on how much time you have. And that is part of our prereq for the nursing program also. We are an Illinois Department of Public Health approved program. So we will end up doing theory hours, and then we have lab time. And after lab time, where we have shown you the skills component of the class, then we will take you to long-term care where you will demonstrate the skills, and we do 40 hours of clinical. Healthcare is always a great system to get into, and you will never be without a job if you don't want to be. CNA is a highly in-demand field. It is recession-proof. It will never go out of style. CNAs will always have a job anytime they want them, whether it's in home health care, private duty care, long-term care, hospitals. It is absolutely one of the best starts into medicine that I can suggest. Some of the best qualities that most people who go into the Certified Nursing Assistant program possess are empathy and a great strength to help people, wanting to meet people at their point of need, wanting to get into that first tiptoe into medicine to see if they like it. But the other thing is also to work well with others and to be the assistant to the nurse, the RN, and to work in a team format. So the phlebotomy course is offered in a 16-week program. We start in the classroom. We do theory to find out the why and what we do in phlebotomy in order to draw blood safely, effectively, to get good results for our patients. We do lab time also, where you practice before you go into your on-the-job training clinicals, where you complete 192 clinical hours and 125 successful sticks. Phlebotomy is also one of those recession-proof, always have a job if you want it kind of jobs. This certification does help you with that as far as knowing what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how to do it effectively. I also tell the students that the on-the-job clinical is a wonderful interview. Most of my students do get employed by the place where they do their clinical, or at least they have a good idea as to where they want to work after that experience.
We have an associate degree in nursing program here at the college. It's 4 semesters and it starts every fall. We do have 3 prerequisites for the nursing program, and it includes math, a CNA, and English 1101. There's also 4 general studies requirements, and you can take these before the nursing program or you can take them during the nursing program. And those 4 general eds are Anatomy 1, Anatomy 2, Microbiology, and Psychology. There's also an option if you would like to sit for PN boards, where we have an exit option. So after you successfully complete the first 2 semesters of the nursing program, there's a 6-week course in the summer where you can sit for PN boards, and you can get your LPN. And that way you can work as an LPN in your last 2 semesters of the ADN program if you prefer. There's also an option if you were an existing LPN where you can bridge into 2nd year. So this is also a 6 to 8 week course in the summer that we offer for an existing LPN. We also require you to sit for the pre-entrance exam for this one for the LPN. There's also dual credit options for some high schools as far as your prerequisites for your math, for your CNA, and also for English 1101. Which could also go towards your prerequisites for the nursing program. We also have articulation agreements set up with universities. We have 7 of those. And those are opportunities for you after you get your associate degree in nursing here, where it gives you an easy pathway to be able to go on to get your BSN. And we have general studies for those also, where you might be able to take some of those at Renlake College, and we can set you up with an advisor for that as well. The nursing program is also accredited. It's accredited through ASIN, which is an accreditation and commission of education for nurses. As you can imagine, right now, especially with the COVID pandemic going on, nurses are in high demand. There's many sign-on bonuses that you may have seen advertised. Also, the pay for nurses, it starts anywhere for RNs around $24 an hour. And depending on your level of education after an associate degree in nursing and in your position and experience, it can go up into $50 and $60 an hour. There's many options for nurses to work, not just the hospital setting. There are many options within the hospital, however. There's also many areas in clinics to work at. There's nursing homes, there are long-term care centers, there's dialysis clinics, many opportunities for nurses.
Thank you for joining us to learn about Renlake College's programs in health sciences. If there's a specific program you are interested in learning more about, or if you would like assistance in additional career exploration, please call or email us to schedule a campus visit. Call 618-437-5321, extension 1343, or email info@rlc.edu. And remember, Renlake College is here to help you achieve your educational goals and secure your future. That's why at RLC, your journey starts here.